Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to know what region your account is on in Valorant. So first of all guys, let me go ahead and open Valorant. Let's see here. So I highly suggest you guys to open your account to see that in action with me. So first of all guys, so open your Riot Games, log into your Valorant and then launch the game. Now, as you can see, I am in the game, so in order for me to know what region I'm on it, there is actually two ways to know that. First of all, is by going to your accounts and here hover on your name. And basically, guys, that will only work with the oldest accounts in Valorant. For example, if I hover over this account, you will see that after the hashtag there is numbers. But for us who got like the oldest account possible, you will notice that we have another thing which is our region. So for example, here you can see White Wolf hashtag 9534. But for me, because I have an old account, I will have TT Lolly hashtag EU West. So this is my region. Now, what can you do if you were like a new account, not an old account like mine? Basically, it is pretty simple. Go ahead and click on play and then make sure that you are not on a custom game, make sure that you are on competitive, and then you can just go here into this section which is your connection and then hover into it, and here you will see or notice that there is EU servers. So that means that you are on the EU server or the EU region. And to make sure more, make sure that you have written all these cities and etc, and the one that is closest to you. So for example, for me, I have the ping better in Frankfurt and Warsaw, Istanbul, etc. Sometimes it's good in Paris as well. So that means that I'm on the EU server. If your servers were of, like for example, if Tokyo was like the green spot for you, that means you are on the Asian server, and so go on. So yeah guys, once more, if you want to check your server or region, you can just go to your account here, hover into it if you have an old account. If you have a new one, basically you just have to go to play, so from here, and then go to this spot in here and check this word over here which is EU servers. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and see ya in the next tutorial.